My mother name, a bully Gucci suitcase when the flight reach. A first class flight, someone get a nice sleep. I find the plug. I'm good to find the type C. I'm out on a perfect timing.
You know, Riding King, them picture go out there. The police, them not play. The ICE, them not play. They must send back them picture of Jamaica. I say, yo, no look who we catch. We just catch our next one now, you know. You see me? But them a make a thing look good to still, you know. Because guess what? We need this as Jamaicans. This is just the bold truth when enough people now go admit. Because enough of now go cuss them out, you know. But we now go just cuss them out. You get what I say? Because guess what? Remember, you know, this is America we are talking about. Jamaicans were always respected by the gangsters them in America, and we needed that. Because imagine you being a nerd from Jamaica like Alkaline, and you know you know a gangster thing like Alkaline, and you just a nerd. We used to play a school challenge quiz. Zine, different from a man where the badness like Cartel, where bad from him born and munga them. You see what I say? No. Remember, you as a nerd like Alkaline are walking a big America. And the shatter them, the American shatter them, the gangsters, the thug, the Yankee thug them, see? The Yankee thug them go see Alkaline. And she says a nerd, but then when them take a stock, they must say, oh, it's a Jamaican, we make allow him. So yeah, we need our Jamaicans to go over there and still have a bad rep, like a large number of bad rep, so that the streets can still respect us. Because you got good citizens over there, and you have bad boys who are citizens, the bad citizens over there, the gangster citizens. And they need to see things like this to respect us as Jamaicans when we go over there. Even when you're an innocent Jamaican.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you see in look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give him a bird can team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up high do nally, then be clarin and them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
Yeah, people, yo, look what we've got in the news on the headline. On the headline, we now got dancehall artists, the code, the ensure, you know, popular and close brethren of the Sparta boss, Tamale. Zinka, we see him with Tamale, and I'm gonna give Tamale some strength when Tamale beat mosquito, sick to sickness, silly. Zin? Yeah, with the Brysco, them time they're on Tamale, you see me? Yeah, but him not move like Tommy Lee, cause him not say Tommy Lee breed up the girl them and give them about 13 pitney. Tommy Lee bless. Him have beer youth, cartel bless, enough pitney. Mosquito have about 2 pitney or so. Him have to give thanks. Zin, but him not ready for test Tommy Lee or the world boss. Him think Lily. You see me I say? Him think Lily to the world boss. Now watch this. Brysco now. See, remember we don't have Rygan King, we don't have Squash, we don't have Chronicler, we don't have Radija. And a couple of that with dancehall at them. I go over America and I get locked up. You see what I say? So it's like a curse. And what really are going on? No, what is really going on? And it look like a mostly Mobay artist, you know. Like a the Mobay artist, we say blame them even get locked up too. Zane? What is really going on, guys? Yo, we need for the better. And that is why, yo, big man thing, we need for start promote some good youth, you know. We need for start for promote the good youth, them, the good people, them. You get me I say? Look for some good youth. Bring back the days when only good people gain opportunity. Because, yo, when me a little bit of boy, you know, you see if you not behave good, you not get forgot. You not get them all y'all left a yard. You are left a yard. All of the troublemaker them, all of the bad people them. When me a boy I grow, if you're not good, you not get forgot. You not get to experience the world. You not get the most gifts. But guess what? I see the world change. Where are only the bad people them, only the evil people them, I get all of the reward, the good reward them. And what really are going? And what is really something? But guess what? Would not for complain. Zane, because I see even 2 lakhs twins of twins what they say people need to promote the good youth them because I'm most of the negativity I get promoted and at them the people are gravitate to. You see what I say? We need some good youth. I'm not say if a man get charged, make him an evil person, you know. Zane, but guess what with Brysco? Them says a girl him put him on pan. Zane, I must say abuse the girl. But I don't know if him box her. And then guess what? I can't really run with it. But when I look on Brysco and him behavior over the years, me knowing Brysco, like I'm tell you, say I know ding dong, me knowing Brysco, I know say I will do it, but I don't want to believe it. I don't want to run with it until we see further solid evidence and proof forward out. You see what I say? So this already I got viral. 200 comments, a be a laugh emoji, and people are mock and ridicule him. And if you look on him face, the reaction in this picture, the facial expression, basically I tell you say I'm proud. Or he's trying to look proud because him supposed to have the sense at the time for no say Jamaicans are gonna see it because him supposed to have seen Rygan King them picture go out there. The police them not play, the ICE them not play. They must send back them picture of Jamaica. I say, yo, no look who we catch. We just catch our next one now, you know. You see me? But them a make a thing look good to still, you know. Because guess what? We need this as Jamaicans. This is just the bold truth when enough people now go admit. Because enough of now go cuss them out, you know. But we now go just cuss them out. You get what I say? Because guess what? Remember, you know, this is America we are talking about. Jamaicans were always respected by the gangsters them in America, and we needed that. Because imagine you being a nerd from Jamaica like Alkaline, and you know you know no gangster thing like Alkaline, and you just a nerd. We used to play a school challenge quiz. Zine, different from a man where the badness like cartel were bad from him born and munga them. You see what I say? No. Remember, you as a nerd like Alkaline are walking a big America. And the shatter them, the American shatter them, the gangsters, the thug, the Yankee thug them, see? The Yankee thug them go see Alkaline. And she says a nerd, but then when them take a stock, they must say, oh, it's a Jamaican, we make allow him. So I saw them deal with Jamaican true, the showerman posse them done, did run it half away, and it make the American and other nation of people who live in America start to respect Jamaicans. Yes, some of them not like them snaky behavior because we hear say the shower posse used to rob and kill and take away man drugs and I saw them build for them empire over there. But people still respect them thing there because that run the place now. You see me? If you're not a robber, and if you're not a killer, then you're not send nothing, you're not get enough forward from the streets. And that's why little TJ who shot Offset, Cardi B husband, him can't really get my respect. I'm walk out of jail and I laugh and I smile and I go on like say, as somebody where a killer who is a known killer, him shot in the ass. And him shot Offset in the ass. It's almost like a signal of Lil TJ being gay. You get me? And he's boasting and bragging. Everyone know Offset as a fighter. He loves to throw punches. You know, he doesn't get down like them YNs who be, you know, having ops and have to be, you know, walking strap around the place and trying to put bullets flying around and all of that. Offset isn't that type, but he'll fight. He's a fighter and he's gangster, you know what I mean? But he's just not the one in any serious gang like the BDs and the BGs, the Black Disciple and Gangster Disciple and all of them, you know what I mean? So yeah, we need our Jamaicans to go over there and still have a bad rep, like a large number of bad rep, so that the streets can still respect us. Because you got good citizens over there, and you have bad boys who are citizens, the bad citizens over there, the gangster citizens. And they need to see things like this to respect us as Jamaicans when we go over there. Even when you're an innocent Jamaican that travel over there, a gangster from over there will spare your life because he respect these guys who are putting us on the map with their criminality or criminal intent. As long as they're not being charged for pedophilia, as long as they're not being charged for pedophilia and certain crimes, then we can, you know, Brysco should be ashamed of himself for hitting women if that is the case. But as I said, we can't take that. We can't take that literally, but that's what the people are saying, you know what I mean? But in the news, they haven't given any detail. We haven't seen anything concrete saying what he got charged for, because this is the other picture. Now he be looking like one of my country brethren them when we used to flick with it. Zin, Brysco upon the weed hard. You can see him out, favor my one. Zin. Now Broward County mugshot, fuck, he's in Kodak City. Kodak Black, he needs to call Kodak Black now. He is in Broward County. That's Kodak Black motherfucking cell he's in. I'm sure that Kodak Black got locked up so many times there. Like if he mentioned Kodak Black name, he's good. He'll be getting things on his commissary, commissary. You know what I mean? Yeah, he'll be getting a lot of shit on his commissary if he just mentioned Kodak Black name. You know what I mean? But these niggas lame, man. If they don't know the code, a Brysco say code, him need for know Kodak. See la, Brysco say code. Kodak starts with code. And because Brysco knows code, he should be aligning himself with Kodak Black. They're gonna connect. They will connect. Kodak Black and our boy here, Brysco, they're gonna connect. Probably not now, probably not later, but soon enough, they will connect. Cause one code and Kodak. Yeah, I will say Kodak too. Somebody from Jamaica call Kodak Black Kodak. Yeah, when it's Kodak Black, it's Kodak. You know, Kodak. It's not Kodak. Well, that's a Jamaican see it. It's like you hack the code hacker. Kodak is a code hacker. Bumbleclad, that tough. I'm gonna sell that idea to Kodak. He should be hacking codes. Yeah. Man, that's wild. Listen to the song.
My mother name, I pull the Gucci suitcase when the flight reach. A first class flight, someone get a nice sleep. But find the plug. I'm good to find the type C. With my boat on a perfect timing.
You know what is type C, boy? That's the plug. That's the charger, boy. Type C. And that I run the charger thing now. Every phone is type C or iPhone. You know what I mean? And I need my own. Yeah, my own iPhone. My own iPhone. Yeah.
The money I never forget my losing sweater. And then my jokes I want my papa nothing from my depot. I send it off now name fish.
I send it off now name for the fully detail. Wash out our ears with my kettle. PR my cocky make the blind the tretal. Yeah, I got.
Before she leave, she give me slappy with the evil weapon down. Mama say feel like sage, I'ma say the better cause. Spit a shot in her face, sacrifice another blood.
Let the shot in her face, sacrifice another blood. I'm going to know my cool head from. I'm going to clear some coke and she chip another rum. I'm going to talk coke where you in your gum. Me a talk Coca-Cola. Say you soldier but me a cola. I we must over and me have roller. A bulldozer, a composer. Shut up, me nine face and no cupola. And then I got this here, the road, yeah. And I flip up and pace like a Motorola. That are all 4 days. That are Uncola. Tell Tammy Lee me want a collab. Tell Tammy Lee say him a Sparta, I'm a god. Tell Skirl Sparta, him so bad. Go tell Joshy say him take note. You know, see Joshy hug up skank on stage. Joshy switch again to blood clot. Joshy hug up skank on stage. And skank goes up. Skank goes on. And shoulder him off. See Joshy hug up skank on stage. You know, see it. Joshy left from blood clot. Who did there with first? Joshy did there with somebody first. Then him left go there with popcorn next, you know. And then him go try there with alkaline, see him? And then Joshy, and then Mosquito go take up Joshy when Joshy that trial, Joshy that try for there with alkaline, see him? You see when Joshy did that wear in pink blouse and in pink Bella's pants, at them time there, him there try there with alkaline. But then Mosquito go pick him up. Zine and the two of them did there, them got some fest together, and then them tried this the teacher. Zine, and member said Joshy did try, got there with the teacher and them kick him off of the Gaza, you know. Remember that, you know, him try go around the teacher for them amongst the teacher and him kick him off. Zine, and then at the same time, him got there with somebody else. I don't remember who him got there with. Zine, one next man him got there with from a dance hall. Zine, I don't remember, him just a bunks round like some bunks about dog. You see me? So yeah, man, that we have to say. I think we have forgot anything now. I think we have something more to say. Oh, you don't want to see the comment? I don't know if you don't want to see the comment. I don't know if you don't want to see the comment. I will show you the comment. See comment them, yeah? So my comment top the list, you see me? And I must say, why them behave themselves? Why them no? They miss out the no. Why them no behave them blood clot self when them come here? Wait. Oh, it's a Jamaican way over there. Him show off, you know, him want to make everybody know say him over there. Zin? But when them come over here, him couldn't just say when them not like it. Him couldn't just say when them forward a foreigner or so. Make it harder for people to know say him dead. You know what I mean? So people them like him comment. Like it dog, them no know a different ball game with them girl over here. See there? Shav down a one of them with gate where I say a girl thing, him go hurt a girl. He'll be home by tonight. Code. See there? Code back. You see that? Universe attack. Come say Kodak black and them say code back. That is how you align. You know, so the universe shows them right with what me I say. That is how you study when the universe work with you. Because remember, so the universe now have the regular mouth where we have to communicate the way we are communicate. But because the wise man had shown us that this is the way it goes, you read the signs and the wonders at the time. And it's telling. Zine, and me learn from the wise man. Me read the Bible for much days up at night time with flashlight. And those are the days when God bright, like him take hold of me. You get me I say? Me I'll have some powerful dream them time there. See me I say? I'ma still do. You see it? At this point, Jamaican artists soon stop a visa, but them say her visa. When Jamaica get so much idiot from, I'm an artist when I listen to, but the man them think Jamaica lifestyle work everywhere. Okay, it's a trend at this point. But no, so them they go beat my Jamaican fellows bad, you know, because I assure you, none of these people in the comment is not as highly intelligent as I am. I am one out of a Googleplex. You get me? I say one out of probably infinity. Because Googleplex is like 100 or probably 1,000,000 Googleplexes away from infinity. You know, one Googleplex is probably another Googleplex away from infinity. So the more Googleplexes you have, is the closer to infinity. You see me? So, that was just me fucking around. Because infinity, we know infinity is an undisclosed amount. And unlimited, right? Unlimited and undisclosed. And once it's unlimited, then it's undisclosed. There's no figure. Okay? Okay, it's a trend. And this is why I'm more intelligent than most people. I knew everyone was going to bash them, but no one would see the good in the bad that they do. And I do. And that is that the American and the gangsters over there will still respect Jamaicans, because when they hear the term Jamaican or the word or the nation of people, Jamaica, what will comes to the gangsters' mind who are also locked up behind the bars, same place where all our artists have been going and been trending recently. Those are the Jamaicans that these gangsters, American and all these gangster Asian and foreigners in America, where our Jamaicans are being locked up. When they hear about Jamaicans, they'll vouch for us and be like, yo, a lot of Jamaicans be getting locked up, dog. When I was in the pain, a lot of Jamaicans be coming up there, and they're artists too. I hear them talking about their song, and they have a lot of fans on, you know what I mean? So we're getting a good rep from it. So shout out to Brysco. Even though I hope it's not a gyal him beat, you know, because I'm not give him no shout out for that. Me a wall block him shout out until we hear further notice. But shout out to Rygan King. Although me hear say him beat him woman too already. Well, she accused him. Zin, she accused him. Me nah big up no man when me hear say beat them woman. We not depend that. You see me? I better you cuss your woman, dog. You see me? Cuss them. Make them say you trace like gyal. You get me I say? Better you make them do that, because that me though. The bum buckler there. But me not go too far with them in the tracing, you see me? Yeah. Probably a meet up with other Jamaican artists to run a collab. Gone in white, forward, back, black soon. Gone in white, forward, back, black soon. Me love that. Yeah. Him long for see squash, because I must that them I do. Let me see who is horn. Yeah, people, so everybody is bashing them basically. Look at that. Everyone's bashing them. Free Breezy, I love that. This one says Free Breezy. But a Chris Brown named Breezy. What the fuck? No, take back the light there. A Chris Brown named Breezy. What kind of Free Breezy? What is this Breezy? Free my dog. Alright, me'll think there with that. Zin the free my dog. Breezy a Chris Brown, brother. I see him weird. I do want to go take up blood clot. P Diddy name and say name Diddy, you know. And now him no want it again, you know. Me no hear him on the track, them I say, it's Diddy, a Diddy down here, Diddy. Me no hear him say that again ever since Diddy files came out, being in the Epstein files, and him have him own files with Cassie and her female house party them. Zin? So we no want the artists them a take up the foreign artists them name and then a run from it when them get them name tangled up in a things, you know. So now we have Brysco call himself Breezy and people call him Breezy. Then when Chris Breezy a foreign go get him say him better not want change from the Breezy like the one you want change from the Diddy. Alright. Must think a JA this is a trend. All Mobay artists. And that may I say all Mobay artists real. So every artist go foreign and get locked up. So, but here with Mobay connection different to foreign from long time. Mobay set them thing a foreign. That's why them things stay so. Cause them supposed to have links to all connects with judges and all them thing. That long time Mobay I build them thing over there. Enough Mobay man me know with in a link and them did that. Them they want me upon it one time when me there Westmoreland and I get the link them. But you get me I say, yo, I plan for run well left my yard. But I just run well left my yard. So you're mad. Is when I say, I bet I'm suffer out here than for run way a foreign. When me I go black a foreign, me I go see him way like when I go the first time. I think treat and I can move around like any foreigner. You see me, I'm not have forward black a Jamaica when me there foreign. But some my things stay. You get me I say? Me not visitor visa. My things solid. What I'm told you. You see me? Fuck them, Florida. Some people are support them. You know what I mean? Well, that I go and call them artists. But majority I beat them. But none of them will support the artists nor really see through how me I see it, you know. I know say, yeah. You see me? A good thing in our way as well. As far as it being a bad thing. But me more see the good. We need the youth them to get locked up same way. So, you see me? And you can't get rid of that. Badness I go always go on. And we need badness to protect the weaker people them. A bad people have to go protect weak people. A people were used to the prison have to go teach the new goers them way on their way to prison. Say, look, I was in there, you don't need for fear. Just hold it here where you do. Just go link up area and ray. So we need them thing. So no stop.